everyone, it's Sam from Wonderful here to introduce Efina on bigger spools. We now carry this in 1500 yards, so we just wanted to talk about this a little bit today and show you some great uses for it. One main point about the Efina is that it is a 60 weight, it's a 2-ply, so that means that for piecing, it's going to reduce your seam bulk and create flatter, tighter seams. When you're doing things that have a lot of points or a lot of bulk in the seam, it's just extra nice to have that flat look to it. Cotton actually is zero stretch, so it's really great to reduce any puckering or kind of issues that you might have along the way for piecing something like this. So it just makes a really nice piecing thread. We also have, for traditional piecing, the drunkard's path. So this is very common for traditional piecing. We do have some templates here, so common for template use. I will mention that when you're doing the curves, you do want to reduce your stitch length again to make it nice and smooth around the curve. So again, as you can see here, with something like this, there's going to be a lot of intersection here for the piecing. And with the 60 weight, since it reduces the bulk so much, this is really flat. It's kind of hard to tell on camera, but it is very flat and smooth. So you really have no bulk. It lays very flat, which is obviously great for when you're quilting it later on. Another benefit of the Efina is it's very low lint. So we go through the process of double gassing our cottons. The double gassing process essentially is we put it through some flames and burn away 80% of the lint. Then we do that process twice. So we burn the rest of the lint that we can off of it, making it really nice. It does also mean that we have less gumming up in the machine, less lint, and we have no glues or residues on our thread. We do also have a high heat tolerance on this baby, so you can iron it. You don't have to worry about it. I know a lot of people, they like to iron it really hot because they want the cleanest seams they can, so you don't have to worry about that with this. So the Efina is now available in 60 colors in this bigger spool, the 1500 yard spool, but we are actually expanding to over 100 colors, so you guys are going to have lots and lots of options to be able to piece and quilt with that. We would love to hear back, and if you guys try it out and show us what you guys are working on. Happy stitching!
Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more great tips, tricks, and tutorials. You can also sign up for our weekly newsletter to get the first look at free projects, sewing tips, and inspiring tutorials delivered right to your inbox. Check out the description box below to sign up, as well as find a list of stores and retailers that you can purchase Wonderful threads from in your country.